Akumnandi ukubuka iPirates idlala. Kumnandi nje ukubuka iPirates idlala nje bafethu. Yabo manje kuzodlala i-team yami ngo5 iCaves izoqala izodlala ngo5. Kodwa lalela ukubone ubuke iPirates mawubuke igame yePirates ufise ngathi ingawina. Yabo mabeshoye ukuthi ish uyibamba uzuyikhuza wayenza yebo naku sengijabula ngijatshuliswa yini ngoba phela mina ngibasupport lapha. Yabo that ibhola labo limnandi ngaleyo ndlela. Alimnandi ibhola lePirates kule season bafethu hayi khohlwana yabo nje mfethu amona phansi mona nje phansi limnandi ibhola lePirates kule season bafethu and ilalela ke abakushayi nje ngo1-0 odonsayo 3-0 yabo 5-0 yabo 6-0 yabo leyo nto limnandi ibhola labo mfethu and yabo what a season these two guys are having yabo lezi intwana lezi what a season they're having angeke ngize ngikhuluma abafethu ngomfukeni uyabo manje sibheke ku-World Cup sifuna abadlali mfethu abadlala at this level limunandi ibhola lePirates bafethu khohlwa
lesikhona la ngisifanisa khona lesi khona la ngisifanisa khona hayi suka alright iOrlando Pirates sivele yavulela induku lapha esigodini kubulawa AmaZulu rightfully so ibingekhenze njani bekufanele ishawe lo AmaZulu and I don't think any one of us expected Orlando Pirates to drop points 2 games in a row. It's very rare and I don't think bizoyenzeka la. Not an easy game for Orlando Pirates. The scoreline makes it look easy, but it was not an easy game. One, I am really impressed with what Umremi did. Ushaya cross anikeza uMbuthuma ashaya net. Umremi is known for ukubamba ibhola gijime nebhola shona lena le supply the striker and Uyanele Mbuthuma scores his first goal in a very long time. In fact, the last time he scored was February and now he managed to get his 5th league goal of the season, right? It's going to be very good for him for a confidence yake and well done to Mremi for supplying his striker Ashainet. Great header by him. Asikhulume nge-assistant yaba to Mfuke. Ngeke bafana what an assist. Yabona le assist yabafana ine aura uyayazi aura. So a great performance by Orlando Pirates. Even the substitutions I liked what I saw ngomsetami. Even the cameo by Usipho Mbule brought in to reduce the tempo, control the game because it's done. Great display by him. Also Napoli ngisasho bafethu. One of the contenders for a player of the season. What a goal today. Angeke ngize ngithi goal of the season because there's been so many incredible goals. One of the best goals by Austin Police. Pirates move top of the Petro Premiership table. It's going to be very, very interesting moving forward.
It's the damn arena. I need to see for my own eyes what is going on inside that arena. AmaZulu forgot they're there to play football. AmaZulu could not even pass to each other. I saw one guy go one-on-one, he missed. And then I knew that something inside that arena, it makes you dizzy inside that arena. Yeah. Guys, and when Mapakani, I'm sorry, Apoli's player of the season. What? Whenever Apolis got the ball, I start stressing. When Apolis got the ball, it's not normal. Ndaba became prime Busquets. If you know Busquets' assist, setting up the goal for Messi, you'll know what I'm talking about. Just stand on it. Mufukeng Rebule Beckham, generational talent Mufukeng. What's this? Mufukeng, some of those passes as well. Mufukeng sis. I saw him give that pass to Radio Pan. Mufukeng, how did you see that pass? Man, guys, we need to understand what these guys are eating and drinking at Orlando Pirates training ground. Abdesalam Odu, what are you teaching these guys at the training ground? Because how did Mufukeng see that pass? Even I'm seeing it on TV, I can't see that pass. But Mufukeng sees it. How? This team is dangerous. Pirates are taking from every single angle, balls over the top, behind wingers or running. Sibelebele is running too fast for his own feet. Pirates through the middle they'll punish you. On the wings they'll punish you. How do we stop these guys, man? Damn it! It's an arena. Take them out of that arena and you'll see something better. And then the midfield. Now them Tachala Makaula are synchronizing. We're in trouble. How are we going to mark who now in the midfield? The double pivot. We're in trouble. This team is playing such good football. Damn it. I found myself, some chances Pirates go, oh, you. And I'm like, hi, man, you're supposed to mean you're supposed to be hate watching. Why you going, ooh, with the Orlando Pirates missing chances? If Pirates took all their chances, score would be 10-0. 10-0. Every Mbutuma missed a chance. Mufukeng missed a penalty on top of it. Everybody missed. Pirates is dangerous. And now they go rest for the down.
Come again, Vonel Usutu, Oluma Pesha Sema Milodi. We are very excitement. Hello, Sisi. Ngicela ukuba office ze Mamelodi Sundowns ezo. Oh, all right. Yes. Yes, then funa yona Sundowns. Ntumelo Drom. Yes, speak person sabalandeli be Orlando Pirates ne president abalandeli be bhola iAfrica yonke jikelele. Every Africa. Yeah. No, ndifonela ba ndithi ndizone update ngezinto ezenzeka apha ku PSL. Yes, siswami ndiyayiqonda into yoba ni busy nina kwi CAF kangangoba niya ku final. Sithi congratulations nihambe kahle ku final. Niyosimela phayana ku final ye CAF. Nimele thina ni represent South Africa seyonke pha ku CAF ku final. Ayikho lonto. Nizimele nina nimelanga thina and akho Sundowns yofumana istars esibini Pirates ingakasifumani. Ayikho lonto. Sorry. No, sithi congratulations. But ke ngoku besenzela uba sini update uba apha ku PSL ke ngoku Pirates seyiphinde yaba number 1 and njengoba iphinde yaba number 1 iyenze lonto ngegoals ezininzi ne clean sheet. So senzela uba nisithi niya kulo ndawo nibe nisazi basilindanga nina apha. Siyaqhuba urhulumente asimanga. The pressure increase or the pressure decrease? Hello. Usekhona? Utropile. We are very excitement. Asilindanga nina.
Anithule ngoba nithule. Hayi ngoba kuthiwa mhlambe kanye nginqina ukusho iscore segame yamaZulu neOrlando Pirates. Mhlambe ngingade nithi asingikhumbuzi Knicks nje score Knicks nje sesasikona isibonileyo nani yabo hayi ukuthi ke futhi ngiyanqanqazela kuba naku sizodlala nani next week hayi asinoyiki nje ningeza izani sinoyiki.
Orlando Pirates 3, AmaZulu 0. 5 things that we learned from this game. AmaZulu are a very well structured team, right? And I think that is their biggest advantage. Each and every game they play against Amatimu Afana no Orlando Pirates, whom attack the entire time, right? They're a very well structured team, and Amatimu Afana no Orlando Pirates, well, Orlando Pirates specifically, Orlando Pirates specifically, they struggle playing well structured team because they have most players at Orlando Pirates don't have the positional discipline, right? And when you look at the kind of goals that Orlando Pirates concede, you will find out ukuthi I right back he was in the middle, I left back he be phambili, ama center back ebehlukanisiwe by ama attackers opposition, yabo. So when they are playing a well structured team like iLokhuza, AmaZulu, even though they win, it's never an easy win because of their lack of discipline in Lokhuza in position. Another thing that we learned is that AmaZulu are more structured defensively than they are in attack, right? They are able to organize themselves when it comes to defense, and every man behind the ball. Also, they have ball playing defenders, and they are also able to use their long balls very well. But unfortunately, at the end of the day, you are playing Orlando Pirates. They know how to attack, and those few moments where you are able to break, use your break and add maybe 2 men or 3 men if Abanye they are remaining behind, right? So what happened in this game, those few moments where AmaZulu were able to break, they didn't have enough numbers, and so they didn't really have a proper output. Look at that chance that uMaqokolo got, I forgot ukuthi bekubani isikhathi, where he was able to slide through Sibelebele, but when it's time to make a shorty, he made a shorty on the right and missed completely. Yeah, but so they need more structure when it also comes to attack. When Rele is being man-marked, the best way to use him right? Because obviously Rele is a star at Orlando Pirates. Teams, when they plan to play Orlando Pirates, they need to put in structures to hinder people like Rele and Apolis from being functional. When he is being man-marked like today, and you would think Uti is having the worst game because whenever he has the ball, there are a lot of people following him. The best way to use him in those positions is not to involve him too much on the play. Use Loco as an advantage. Whenever you give him the ball, you only need one pass from him while you exploit the open spaces that are being left behind by men that are marking him, right? Look at how that goal by Apolis came about. He needed one pass from Rele Mofokeng, and then it was like a give and take. He gives Rele and then he takes from Rele, and then all those people that were men marking Urele, they leave in space for Apolisi to freely move, and then he scores a goal. So whenever Urele is being man marked, the best way to use him is to exploit the open spaces and require only one thingy from him, only one pass from him. So this game was very overwhelming for Urele because he was man marked, but what a goal. Player of the season, my brother. What else did I want to say, Gonje? Apolis is the best signing that Orlando Pirates made this season. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Apolis is the best signing that the Orlando Pirates made this season. And then lastly, we know Sipombule is one of the most talented players in this league, but sometimes keep it simple, keep it very clean, keep it very simple. When he came in this game, he came in for a control, but even when you come for control in a game or a season that might actually be decided by a goal difference, I don't know what to say. I'm sure Coach Abdeslam Ouad will still appreciate ama goals, right? So keep it simple, keep your game very simple so that iyakwazi ukuqhubeka iflow noma sengenewe. And I feel like this video is a bit too long, but yeah, it was a great performance by Orlando Pirates. Definitely a well-deserved win. It was not an easy game. I was not expecting it to be one. So shout out to Apolis. He is the man of the match, an amazing bowler. Who else impressed me namhlanje? Ellen impressed me today, even though they conceded. Yeah, let me know what you thought about this game.
Yeah, so if it's a full-time score, Orlando Pirates 3, AmaZulu 0. Le idinga nje isiZulu. Ngiseceleni. AmaZulu feds. Yabona feds. Angazi AmaZulu ebisapha kanjani ngasonke lesikhathi angazi. Credit to Orlando Pirates feds ibiyazi senzani la. Asasa 3 ayilandela 3 points asithula phansi. Njengamanje Orlando Pirates, they are 2 points clear of Mamelodi Sundowns. Kodwa Sundowns isele ngo2 games. iOrlando Pirates iyalida kwilog. Engifuna ukungena kona ukuthi iPirates la ngabe le score asikho nje. Ama chances ebatholile. Kodwa okubalekile u3 points. Ithathe race isa on. Khona bakholela ukuthi Sundowns sazoqhuzuka maybe game eyodwa iPirates ibuyele futhi kwithathe race yangempela le intense. Shout out to Mbuthuma mfethu. My boy Mbuthuma mfethu, ngihlale ngisho lofana mfethu ngimkhonzile kakhulu lofana mfethu, and igoli lakhe what a beautiful header. Igoli lakhe lingijabulile, lingigeza inhliziyo mfethu. Kwaba igoli lika Apolisi lesibili la khona assist Mfukeng, kodwa yabona mfethu iskill esilapha kulafana iCase ineso lo ngintshela iCase ineso phela lafana iCase, kodwa asiko lapha. Beautiful goal nakuyena. And nginombuzo ke for wena, ubani othatha iplayer of the tournament? Mfethu niyambona Apolisi, niyambona uRatom Mfukeng, ngizozwa ngani ke, kodwa mina ngifuna uyingena kakhulu mase kuba igoli lakhe Mfukeng lokugcina. Brilliance yaMfukeng evilenza nje show ukuthi no man iPirates iyafuna le 3 points ngempela. AmaZulu abelele kule game, abelele nje AmaZulu, because manje sasukubheka nje 28 shots and 15 on target. Leyo nto nje isho ukutshela ukuthini lapho bana 1 shot on target. AmaZulu yabona abelele ngempela. 64% ball possession. Angazi uzwane ngempela bengenelwe yini, kodwa mfethu Orlando Pirates, shout out to them mfethu, bayisebenzile lento. 563 passes completed. Nope, yabona nje la. Kodwa shout out to Orlando Pirates. Isa khona kwithathe race, mina ngiyakholwa ithathe race isaphila, uyikona nje ukuthi igap ithanda ubankulu, kodwa mfethu big win for Orlando Pirates.
Okay bafethu, that's it for video namhlanje. Ngiyathemba ukuthi ni-enjoyile. Make sure bafethu ukuthi weka comment na subscribe, nibuka ama-ads and nenza nje zonke lezi zinto lezo. Angeke ngikhuluma kakhulu ngegame namhlanje bafethu, but into nje angayisho ukuthi ibhola lethu bafethu liyayideserve league bafethu. The least we deserve the league bafethu, like in the least la ngayo and the chances we create bafethu, like we at least deserve the league. Inkinga ukuthi mfethu like siqhudelana ne-Sundowns like umshini lo ya mfethu. And into ebengifuna ukuyisho ukuthi leya penalty yarile mfethu I feel like urile mfethu bekumele besayinikeza uRadio Pane mfethu. Honestly, kuthi nje makuthiwa penalty I was like Radio Pane is going to score. Like I was happy for Radio Pane because I really back him, dog. I rate him. I rate Radio Pane, but really took it. Even though Ngazi ukuthi really is not a good penalty taker mfethu, I knew he's not gonna score that penalty there. I was not comfortable with him taking that penalty. Bekumele bethi ayinikeze nje mfethu Radio Pane or umsendami, like players bethi adinga mfethu unyuse confidence yabo mfethu ukuthi beyabo. But great game for Pirates mfethu. Every day idlala kanje mfethu. Let Roy Richards Bay mfethu. Every day idlala kanje mfethu. Always creating, always attacker. So yeah, but that's all I can say about the game namhlanje. So right now I need to go and make a video about the game Chiefs. So ngizonibona nge derby. Ngiyabonga for watching.